Welcome to another how-to video. In this video, let me show you how you can make Wix website mobile friendly. As you can see, we are in the editor tab where we can edit your site. This site is just a sample site so that I can guide you. So all you have to do is click the switch to mobile icon, which is located at the top of your website screen because we are in a desktop mode. After you switch to mobile mode, this site will assist you, and it's up to you if you want to skip this part or if you just want to customize your mobile website by just clicking the Let's Go button. Mine is that I choose to skip to discover more. I'll show you what's next to see. What can you use to edit your mobile? As you can see, this is what you can use to customize your mobile website, and it's up to you how to customize your mobile website. After you customize your website, just click on Save, which is located at the top of the screen, to save your edited mobile website. Click Save and Continue, and that's it. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.